Alright, sorry. But you dropped them, Pele. I know you are tired of it.
Sorry, Kotofa. No, sorry, Kotofa. Alẹ́ ìjọ ara ẹ̀. Sorry, Kotofa sáyé ọmọ lọ́wọ́. Nígbà tí ìjọba tí wọ́n post ẹ̀ sí bíbá ẹ̀, tó fi yí pé as a court member ẹ̀mẹ̀ màmá train àwọn ọmọ yìí, ó máa standing like a mentor fún wọn. But what did you do? Ọ̀pọ̀ ọmọ lóyún. Instead of you to keep your people of distraction to yourself, òbí pàyàwó yòó láyé jẹ́ kiri. Ṣé sorry, Kotofa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí? I am totally
Alright, seriously, pick up.
Actually, kí ló sọ? Ṣùgbọ́n, follow me. Yeah! Ọ̀yọ́ mi